What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mo and welcome back to my channel. Now I know it has been a hot minute since I've done any kind of vlogging here, especially in the last few months just because of the quarantine, and there really hasn't been anything going on or worthwhile to vlog in my opinion until now, of course. So today's video is actually in collaboration with and sponsored by Lull. I'm actually going to be doing a quick little unboxing and a review for you guys. They reached out to me a few weeks ago before all the protesting and everything started, and they asked if I wanted to try one of their mattresses, and I was like, yes, perfect timing. Like literally this is like right around my birthday. This is a couple weeks actually before my birthday, and I was like, perfect timing. I literally am in the market for a new bed because my old bed was at least 4 to 5 years old. So yeah, so they sent me over a new mattress. They asked me if I wanted to test it out, and if I liked it I can share it with my audience. So that is what we are doing today. I'm actually just going to be unboxing one of the pieces that they had to resend me because unfortunately when I first got everything, I set it all up, I was super excited, I jumped on the bed, and then I literally heard one of the pieces underneath crack, and I was like, stop. That's not supposed to happen. So thank you again to Lull. They were super kind to send me another mattress foundation, which is basically like their box spring. So I'm gonna unbox that, set it up again. It was actually super easy. I've already done it once before. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys today. So this is gonna be stitched together. I'm doing this on totally different days, totally different weeks. I'm gonna show you guys my unboxing, and then we'll come right back and we'll do my review. If you cannot tell by this freaking grin that I have on my face, I am so excited to show you guys what I have in this video because it kind of feels like a birthday celebration extension. Shout out to all my May babies and my Geminis, by the way. I just celebrated my 31st birthday, and like literally all this stuff showing up on my doorstep within days of my birthday. I'm like, I can't wait. So I've been like eagerly waiting to sit here and unbox everything for you guys at once. So let's get into it. Yes, God, it's like Christmas. It feels literally like Christmas. Like, when's the last time you've ever woken up to your doorstep looking like this? Hello. Shout out to Lull. Now let's see how I can pull all this stuff in my house by myself. Hashtag single girl goals. Woo, your girl's in here breaking a sweat trying to get all this stuff into the back part of my room. But honestly, if it was not for me having these hardwood floors, I wouldn't be able to do it by myself. But we're gonna do our best because, you know, we're independent out here in these streets, honey. We don't need no man. We don't need no man for nada, okay? We'll take him, but we don't need him. Okay, I don't think you guys realize how impressed I am with my skills right now. Like, this is actually like a really easy thing to do. Like, let's be real, but normally, I could not even imagine me sitting here trying to put this together. I'd be like, excuse me, boyfriend, come help me, please. Or come do this for me and let me just enjoy it after it's already assembled. But this is actually really easy. Okay, thank God I had a screwdriver. It's one of the things that I actually made sure I bought when I moved out by myself, was like my own little tool set. Because if I did not have this would not be happening. So that is my one recommendation for you ladies out there. Make sure you always have you a cheap little tool kit, because you can always figure it out or have, you know, somebody help you with the rest. But having little stuff like this is like a major lifesaver and super necessary, especially when you live by yourself. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far, and again, this is a California King, and I just did that all by myself. Okay, so now it's time to unbox this here mattress, which is the heavy part. I'm literally so excited about this. I'm anticipating how heavy this is about to be because the box is not light. Let's see if I can do a little shimmy situation. I'll just dump it out, that's easier. Okay, there we go. All right, I've got some instrucciones. It's a jungle out there. It's time to get your Lull on, yes. Dang, this thing is saran wrap. Okay. right, so I just took all the pieces out of the box. Keep in mind, the only thing that I'm unboxing today is the foundation, but separately you can buy the legs that you can screw on to elevate it to make it like a platform bed. So in the box, it came with some instructions, some pegs that go inside of the little holes, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces, the slats, and then all of the stuff. Okay, one important thing I have to point out, because I think this is where I went wrong the last time. They come with 6 legs if you buy a king or a cow king. And obviously because it's such a big bed, it needs extra support in the center. So you need to secure these legs to the center of the beams also. Otherwise the beams will crack like they did to me. All right, literally finally get to take a break after setting everything up. I feel like I literally just want to like lay down and pass out and go back to sleep. Okay, so quick thoughts on the mattress since I've had it for about 3 weeks at this point. So in comparison to my last bed and really any other bed that I can think of that I've ever had, I've always gone the traditional route of going to a mattress store. So this was something that was completely new to me. Like I wasn't really sure I was even gonna be happy with it. And to be honest with you, I'm actually really impressed. So far, I really don't have any complaints. I recognize also that it was totally my own user error because I didn't secure those legs to the base of the bed. Since I do have a larger bed, it's super, super important that you properly secure the middle. So as you guys can see, I'm laying on this bed now and you don't even see it like dipping or caving into my body. Whereas with my other bed, you would see exactly where I was laying. And over time, my other bed literally had like a dip in it and I would have to like rotate my mattress just to like try to even it out. But right now you guys can see I am not very light. I'm also not super heavy. I weigh about 160 pounds and you can see that the bed is not like concaving to my body. It's literally supporting me perfectly, but it also is contouring to my body in the areas that I need it so it doesn't feel like I'm laying on a board, which I really appreciate. I actually really was impressed with like the convenience and how fast it arrived. Like as soon as they placed my order, I got my tracking information a couple of days later and the bed was delivered from start to finish within about 4 business days. So that's actually super impressive and I love the fact that it shows up at the door. You guys saw me shimmy that bad boy here into my house and get to unboxing and it's super easy. I cannot stress enough how important it is that I was able to do that by myself. I was here for that. They also sent me pillows, which are back there, these king size pillows that I freaking love. I'm very particular, just like most of you, like everybody likes something different. Those pillows are super, super soft. They're very like memory foam. It's kind of like you're sleeping on an air pillow. It's the coolest thing ever. So I love those. And they also sent me a new duvet and a duvet cover. And I already have my own bedding from my previous setup to match my headboard and my interior decor. My recommendations on what I would say you guys should definitely like consider spending your money on are gonna be the pillows and definitely the mattress. The mattress foundation, if you already have your own box spring, then you don't need another one, but this is a nice alternative if you need something brand new. So in conclusion, I actually highly recommend that you guys try out Lull if you're in the market for a new mattress. It took about a full day's worth for the mattress to fully inflate and to get this shape, but ever since then it's been perfect. I haven't had any issues, and like I said, I'm still trying it out, so I'll keep you guys posted if anything changes. But I hope that this was helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. The link will be down below with a promo code if you guys want to save some money on your first purchase. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, I will see you guys really soon in the next video. Bye guys.